November 28, 2012. The sea turning blood in Australia signifies great distress and perplexity determined upon Australia and neighbouring countries. There is need for national repentance to hold back God's hand. Luke 21:25, and there shall be signs in the sun, and in the moon, and in the stars, and upon the earth distress of nations, with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring. January 10, 2013. It's been an apocalyptic week in Australia, with heat so extreme the country's Meteorology Bureau added new colours to their weather map. In the midst of fires burning throughout the land, a tsunami-like dust storm swept over parts of Western Australia. The sinister-looking storm is the result of a thunderstorm, adding dust and sand into the mix. The dust storm apparently developed in minutes and swallowed the entire town of Onslow.